It took me about 3.5 hours to walk to the office, and it usually takes me 10 minutes. And I was never that happy, seeing my office building. My team members who could have left, who had finished their shifts, they just continued to work without a presence of a leader. And I felt proud about having such a great team. People would always tell you that, this would not work or that would not work. But if you've, taken a decision, you stick to your decision, you'll just believe in yourself and go on. And that's how you achieve success.
See how, I'm sure badaane samjhayegi what is the story, right? How he acted as a contributor. So this should not take more time now, I think.
As Mr. Uchil knew that Mumbai is in trouble because of flood, and because of flood, employees in his office were not able to reach to the office and shout to the customers who were calling to this office. So what Uchil did, he called customers from Canada and US that and informed that Mumbai is in trouble, and that's why because Mumbai is in trouble because it is replaced by the flood. We are not able to serve you. So he did that thing.
Yeah,
it was not actually part of his job.
I would not say part of his job, but yes, he thought of his moral responsibility કે ભાઈ હું આ વસ્તુ કહી દઉં મારા કાઉન્ટરપાર્ટ્સ ને. કેનેડા ને યુએસ માં લોકોને ખબર નથી કે ભાઈ મુંબઈમાં આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે અને મારા પાર્ટનર્સ મારા વર્ક ઉપર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ કરે છે. તો he went from all the way from his house to the office. If you guys heard that, usually he takes 10 minutes. This took him some 2 hours.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours, okay. So, that's something. Anybody else? Yes, please.
First of all, is against all the odds, against this natural disaster, he reached to his office and all. And second thing is, he was having such a wonderful team with him that without a leader or without a superior, they were working after already their work shift was over. So that is again
very nice point, and good that you guys are listening to it. That yes, his entire team was a contributor because આપણે જે રીતે પહેલા બી કીધું કે સુપરવાઇઝરની મને જરૂર નથી, મારું કામ છે ને હું કરી લઈશ. And that's a sign of a true contributor. That without any boss, without any leader, his team was there working, knowing કે ભાઈ આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે અને અમારી શિફ્ટ પૂરી થશે પણ બીજા લોકો આવી નહીં શકે કારણ કે આટલો બધો વરસાદ પડે છે અને people cannot come. So they did not think કે ભાઈ મારો તો shift timing પતી ગયો છે, why should I work? They said no, if other people cannot come, let me work for my company. True. Anybody else? Okay, we'll just go through the next one. This is Mr. Falke, who was posted as a loss-making bank manager in this story, and let us see how he became a contributor, how he converted the challenging situations into an opportunity.
Myself, I am Falke. Now I am Chief Manager Ruler at RBO Nashik. Now this is the story, or you may say, of 1991 when I was posted as one of the remotest SAB, that is Dhamangaogadi in Amravati district and Nagpur Mudu. This SAB was carrying more than 80% of bad loans. What are the portfolios that? And It was a loss-making branch and full of problems. Nobody was interested in going that. And then I am posted at that branch. As soon as I posted, I scanned that area. Other than banking inside problem, there were also outside problems were there. There is a scarcity of water, drinking water, water for animals. Income is very, very low. Monocropping area. People were illiterate. These Adivasi, these were two communities were there, Gaudi and Korku. Then I find that there is malnutrition problem. एक गांव के 10-10 बच्चे at a time मर रहे हैं. So I scanned and jotted down all the problems, inside problems, outside problems, and jotted down. And so first I find that what is the most important problem, that is the water problem. So we discussed with called a meeting and discussed with what we can do. One river was a very small nala come river was going on that. So, and adjacent to that there was a common well which was dry. So I immediately struck that why should not be one bandhara? But bandhara, it requires so many problems and so many things. So I thought, why should not we go to a Gabriel type of bandhara? So one day all the people came and they volunteered themselves, and when bandhara was ready, within 15 days that well was full of water and all the problems. Then I gone second problem. But the second problem was, the most problem was that the people were illiterate. Because they are Adivasi people. This is the root cause that of low income, disease and all these things. Illiteracy is the root problem. So again I started and thinking, and that मुझे all of a sudden एकदम strike हुआ कि ये गांव में ये जो आदिवासी गांव, हर एक आदिवासी गांव में एक common factor होता है, वो एक देवी का मंदिर होता ही होता है. तो मैंने क्या किया, all of a सबको इकट्ठा किया और वो गांव में चलने के बाद वो उनको ओथ दिलाई कि मैं पढ़ूंगा बस, that's all, nothing else. तो to my surprise I was not expected, within 2.5 months all the people were literate, all the people. Third problem was most important, that is the malnutrition, and second वो जो आदिवासी लोगों के 9-9 बच्चे 10-10 बच्चे एट ए टाइम मर जाते क्योंकि वो भगवान के भरोसे रहते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा कि गांव-गांव में जाके कैंप लिया जाए. तो मेरे कुछ डॉक्टर पहचान के थे, कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लेस के डॉक्टर पहचान के थे, सारे पहचान के थे, एसडीओ कलेक्टर वो सारे को मैंने इकट्ठा किया और फिर एक-एक कैंप लगा. इसका इम्पैक्ट हुआ कि लोगों का पहले तो जीवनमान बढ़ गया, लोगों का इनकम बढ़ गया. दूसरा जो मरने वाले जो बच्चे थे, जो भावनात्मक ये था, वो काम हो गया. गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इसमें बहुत खुश हो गए, साक्षरता मुहिम होने के उनका भी काम हो गया. और बैंक का एक आए तो जो मेन हमारा एनपीए था, वो कब एनपीए कैसे कम हो गए हमको भी पता नहीं चला.
Did so many things which was not at all a part of his job. બેન્કિંગ ને ના એઝ અ લેમન આપણે જોવા જઈએ તો બેન્કિંગ ને એને જે કર્યું એને તો કઈ લાગે વળગે જ નહીં. But just imagine the amount of impact it must have had in the loss making branch. We just again